Good morning students, welcome to the class. Today we will start with our new chapter of civics, chapter 3, class 10. The name of the chapter is Democracy and Diversity. In today's session we will discuss a story from Mexico Olympics, differences, similarities and divisions, and overlapping and cross-cutting differences. So let us start with the session. Apart from language and region, people have distinct identities in the form of physical appearance, class, religion, gender, caste, tribe, etc. In this chapter, we are going to understand how democracy responds to social differences, divisions, and inequality. Let us understand this with a story from Mexico Olympics. During the medal ceremony of the 200 meters race in 1968 Olympics held at Mexico City, the two US athletes stood with clenched fists upraised and head bowed while the American national anthem was played. They were Tommie Smith and John Carlos. They were African American athletes. They had won the gold and a bronze medal respectively. They received their medals wearing black socks and no shoes to represent black poverty. With this act, they try to draw international attention to racial discrimination in the United States. The black gloved and raised clenched fist were meant to symbolize black power. The third athlete who got the silver medal standing with them was a white Australian athlete, Peter Norman. He wore a human rights badge on his shirt during the ceremony to show his support to the two Americans. The International Olympic Association held Carlos and Smith guilty of violating the Olympic spirit by making a political statement. Their medals were taken back. They were subjected to lot of criticism in their home country. Norman also suffered for his action and was not included in the Australian team for the next Olympic, but their action succeeded in gaining international attention for the civil rights movement in US. Later on, the St. George State University, of which they were former students, honored them and installed their statue in the university campus. Now look out this picture. This explains that Carlos, Smith, the two who raised their hand and bowed their head are the African American, and the third one is Peter Norman, who is considered as the white. What is the similarity between all these? They are athletes who stood against racial discrimination. Now we talk about the differences, similarities and division. The athletes in the given example were responding to social division and social inequalities. However, this happened even in societies which do not have racial division, like in Belgium and Sri Lanka. In the case of Belgium, people who live in different regions speak different languages, and in Sri Lanka, linguistic as well as religious differences are there. Thus, social diversity can take different form in different societies. Let us understand the origins of social differences. Social diversity take different form in different societies. We belong to a community because we were born into it. We all experience social differences based in our daily life. But all kind of social differences are not based on birth only. Some of them are based on our choice. Every social difference does not lead to social division. Now first we understand what is the difference between social difference and social division. Social difference, these are the situations where people are discriminated against on the basis of social, economic and racial inequality. It gives way to social diversity, which is different from society to society. On other hand, social division of the society on the basis of language, region, caste, color, race or sex. It signifies linguistic and regional diversities. Social differences divide similar people from one another, but they also unite very different people. People belonging to different social groups share differences and similarities, cutting across the boundaries of their group. In the example of Mexico Olympics, 2 players were African American and 1 was white, but they were all athletes who stood against racial discrimination. It is often seen that people belonging to same religion feel that they do not belong to the same community because their caste or sect is different. It is possible for people from different religion to have the same caste and feel close to each other. Rich and poor person from the same family often do not keep close relation to each other. So our next topic is overlapping and cross-cutting differences. Social division take place when some social difference overlap with each other or with other differences. The difference between the black and whites become a social division in the US because the black tend to be poor, homeless and discriminated against. In India, Dalit tend to be poor and landless. They often face discrimination and injustice. This creates social division when one kind of social difference becomes more important than the other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities. If social differences cross-cut one another, it is difficult to pit one group of people against the other. It means that group that share a common interest on one issue are likely to be in different side on a different issue. Let us understand this with the case of Northern Ireland and Netherlands. In the case of Northern Ireland and Netherlands, people are predominantly Christian but divided between Catholic and Protestants. In Northern Ireland, Catholic and Protestant have conflict while they do not have conflict in the Netherlands. It is because in Northern Ireland, Catholics are poor due to historical discrimination, while in Netherlands, Catholics and Protestants are about equally likely to be poor or rich. Overlapping social differences create possibility of deep social division and tensions. Cross-cutting social differences are easier to accommodate. That's it with your today's session. In tomorrow's session, we will start with our next topic, that is politics of social division. Till then, take care. Goodbye.